What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. We're heading to the garage right now. I'm in a 2007 ACURA TSX. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a quick shout out to all my 27 subscribers. Y'all the real MVPs. You know who you are. But no, for real, man. This is a small channel. We ain't in it for the money. We're in it for the learning process. So stick with me and you know, see what's up. The very first thing that you want to do when you're doing this part here, put the car in neutral. Save you the headache. The new one comes in neutral. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died, and luckily I saved some footage with my phone, so I'll throw that in at the end. But I just want to quickly go over why I did the whole job in the first place. So a transmission range sensor, also known as a TRS, what happens is it loses communication with the PCM. So somewhere along the sensor and the PCM, there's no signal and there's no reading, which, you know, will signify and throw you off a code for a P0706. This vehicle I was working on, the customer, he kind of diagnosed it himself. I look at it myself as well, and that's pretty much what I came down to, was the sensor was faulty. So I replaced the sensor, I cleared the codes, and everything was good. Now, as far as symptoms as to why this could cause, I don't want to give you false information, so I have something written down here. Okay, so I guess the most common symptoms would be the car doesn't start, will not move from the shifter. Vehicle shifts into an unexpected gear. So you could be going down and drive and just shift into neutral, or reverse and go into neutral out of nowhere. So those are some symptoms you can look out for. Vehicle will go into limp mode. With limp mode, your velocity of the car, let's say you're going 20, would start to go down gradually, you know, like 18, 17, 16, 14, 13 miles per hour, and just go all the way down. What happens in limp mode is it picks up a fault, and then from there it just goes downhill. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I will be posting up videos more often. I have a turbo build in the process. Stay tuned for more videos on that.